Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to another session of our English class. Children, yesterday we learned a poem named The Months, written by Christina Rossetti. In this poem, The Months, the poet describes the 12 different months of a year and tells us what happens in each month. In this poem, she calls January as a cold, lonely month. She calls February as a rainy month. Children, and then what changes occurred in March? Yes, in March we witness that the wind is blowing in its full of favor. And who will come after March? Yes, April. In April, we see that the weather starts changing and it is the beginning of the spring season. In May, flowers bloom in full swing. Flowers bloom in full swing in May, whilst June is a sunny month with the longest day. In July, stormy clouds with lightning flashes. August is the time for the harvest of some golden corn. And September brings the fruit. Then, in October, the climate is rough and trees shed their leaves. In November, nights are long. She describes, who is she here? Yes, Christina Rossetti. She says, in the month of November, the sky looks very sharp and it is full of stars. And in December, what happened in December, children? Yes, cold is strong. In bleak December. In this way, Christina Rossetti describes 12 months very beautifully and vividly. Children, today we are going to study exercise part of this poem. Here we have a play with words exercises D and E. Okay. First exercise is based on Proverbs. Children, do you know what are Proverbs? Listen, Proverbs are the traditional or historic sayings of a country. They are short, clever sentences that usually offer life advice. Yes, a proverb is a short, wise saying that gives us valuable advice or tells us something important about life. Examples: a friend in need is a friend indeed. Its meaning is, if someone helps you when you have problems or you are in trouble, that person is a true friend. Second one, actions speak louder than words. Its meaning is, what you do matters, not what you say. Now we are going to study what is this, children? How to read this? Yes, simile, not smile. Simile. Okay. What is simile, children? When we describe something by comparing it to something else using the words like or as, the phrase formed is called a simile. Okay. Its examples are as pretty as a picture and as dry as dust. Now let's see this picture. This picture describes a girl's smile. We know a simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way. Here, using the sun to describe a girl's smile gives us an idea of how bright her smile seems. Now, your turn to complete these exercises D and E and send it to me before 9 o'clock. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.